Unbox a world of culinary adventure with the DCMAMA Steaming and Sound Kitchen Playset. This kitchen playset, Model 825A1, transforms any play space into a bustling restaurant. Imagine tiny hands exploring the joys of cooking. This playset offers a rich sensory experience. It includes smoke, sound, and light features. Your child becomes a busy chef. They master their own kitchen. Therefore, this playset provides endless hours of imaginative play. Furthermore, it encourages creative storytelling. Children can whip up imaginary feasts. They can serve invisible customers. Moreover, the DCMAMA Steaming and Sound Kitchen Playset is a stage. It's where young chefs shine. The realistic cooking stove creates steam. This adds a lifelike touch. The sounds mimic real kitchen noises. Bright lights illuminate the cooking area. This immersive environment sparks curiosity. It also fosters a love for cooking. Your child learns through play. They develop important social skills. They also practice their fine motor skills. This playset is more than just a toy. It's a tool for growth. It's a canvas for creativity. Finally, the DCMAMA Steaming and Sound Kitchen Playset truly delivers. It's an investment in imaginative play. It's a gateway to delicious pretend meals. The quality construction ensures durability. It stands up to enthusiastic play. This playset offers excellent value. It brings joy to any aspiring chef. It's a perfect gift. Therefore, consider this playset. It will light up your child's world. It will also foster their development. This DCMAMA Steaming and Sound Kitchen Playset is a definite winner. Pros: ignites imagination and creativity, encourages role play, fosters social skills, helps understand real-life events, includes 70-piece accessory kit features, simulated smoke effect, realistic cooking sounds, flashing stove lights, steam effect from stove, busy chef's restaurant theme, interactive kitchen playset, designed for kids, model number 825A-1 includes play kitchen toys, promotes imaginative play. The DCMAMA Kids Play Kitchen Model 825A1 is an interactive toy kitchen designed for kids. It offers a realistic cooking experience with features like a simulated smoke effect, cooking sounds, and flashing stove lights. The stove also creates a steam effect. This busy chef's kitchen restaurant playset includes various play kitchen toys and encourages imaginative play for young chefs. The DCMAMA Kids Play Kitchen is a fun toy kitchen that helps kids imagine and create. It comes with 70 pieces, including a stove that makes smoke, sounds, and lights, just like a real kitchen. This playset lets kids pretend to be chefs, which helps them learn how to play with others and understand what happens in a real kitchen.